instead of 8. Still doesn't mean I'll win anything, but I got a better chance. Come on, give me a couple more bonus symbols. More games, more games. Oh, teased it.
Hey, good luck.
Thank you.
You got it. Roll.
Please like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you've seen this game before. Let me know what you want me to corner in Vegas. I'm gonna be there tomorrow for about 4 days. So far, for 4 trigger bonus, this has been terrible. It's the way slots go sometimes, though. Well, that helps. It gives me 8 more games. We needed that because the first 12 have not been much of nothing. What you want on this is you want the elephants, but you in the middle, you can get bonsai trees and they expand. That's really what we're looking for. That, but I need to line up something for it. Didn't connect. More games? Nope. Lots of games. Finally got a hit, 42 bucks, guys. It's not bad. For a minute there, it was like all hat, no cattle. Come on, baby. Come on, give me a good hit here. 8 more games. See there, we got whatever that symbol is, some kind of drum. You really want that symbol with the elephants. There's 5 more, guys. Well, we still got 10 games. Well, 5 more. We've yet to get the big hit, though, guys. I'm good. Come on, machine. Well, 8 more games here, guys. We're still looking for that big hit. A little bit of jacks, 11 bucks. Made 100 bucks so far, somehow. All the little ones, I guess, eventually add up. If we had one more bonsai tree there, it'd be huge. Come on, there we go. That's a little bit. 60 bucks, guys. We're up to 169 bucks. Oh, there we go, guys. If we had one more elephant here, it would have been probably like 300 bucks. All right, one more spin, guys. Turned out to be an alright bonus. Well, that's all she wrote. What do you got here? 240 bucks on a $3.50 bet. Please like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have a good one.